Hello. Good morning, everyone. Big love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to talk about solving and graphing inequalities. And this is your math with teacher Marife Adonis. So, inequality is like an equation, but instead of an equal sign, it has one of these signs. We have less than or equal to, greater than, greater than or equal to. So this symbol is x less than 5. Means that whatever value x has, it must be less than 5. Try to name 10 numbers that are less than 5. Go on. Next. Numbers less than 5 are to the left of 5 on the number line. Like this. Okay, yon. Okay, it's going backward. If you said 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, etc. are all, you are right. Right? There are also numbers in between the integers like 2.5, 1/2, or -7.5, etc. Number 5 would not be correct answer though because it's not less than 5. So we have here x is greater than -2. Thank you, Ray. It means that wherever value x has, it must be greater than or equal to -2. Try to name 10 numbers that are greater than or equal to -2. Do it. Now let's move on. Numbers greater than -2 are to the right of 5 in the number line. Okay, we have here -2. Yes, that is greater than. If you said -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc., you are right. There are also numbers in between the integers like -1/2, 0.2, 3.1, and 5.5. The number -2 would also be correct answer because of the phrase or equal to. Where is -1.5 on the number line? Is it greater or less than -2? -1.5 is between 1 and -2. -1 is to the right of -2. Therefore, so -1.5 is also to the right of -2. Right. So let's have inequalities under graphs. So x greater than 5, so the graph is this. Yes, it's greater than 5. Alright, let's move on. We have the inequalities under graph. So our objective is to write in a graph simple inequalities with one variable. What is good definition for inequality? An inequality is a statement that two expressions are not equal. Alright, so we have inequalities under graph. So terms you see and need to know to graph inequalities correctly. So we have less than, okay, this is symbol, greater than, okay, notice open and open, right? inequalities under graph. So terms you see and need to know to graph inequalities, we have less than or equal to, so with this symbol, and we have greater than or equal to. So notice colored in circles. So we have here the close, no? So if you can see, we have the equal, no? That the graph is close. Okay, so we have inequalities. Let's work for a few together. We have x is less than 3. So this is the graph. So notice when variable is on the left side, sign shows direction of a solution. So it's going to the right. Then if x is less than 7, so when variable is on the left side, sign shows direction of the solution. This is less numbers. Then if we have here p is less than or equal to -2, so we have the color circle. So this is a closed circle. So when variable is on the left side, sign shows direction of the solution. Then we have here the color in a circle. Yes, look. So when variable is on the left side, sign shows direction of the circle. So if it's less 5, then it's greater than, no? Or the left side sign shows direction. It means it is greater than. Now let us solve an inequality. For example, w plus 5 is less than 8. So remember the addition property of equality. Same procedure will be used in adding and subtracting, no, inequality. So we have here add, no, so we add -5 to both sides of inequalities. Then the answer is where w is less than 3. So all numbers less than 3 are the solution of this problem. Let's have more examples. So 8 plus r is greater than or equal to -2. We have here, we add a -8 to both sides of an equality. Then r is greater than -2. All numbers from -10 or -10 and up, including -10, make this problem true. So we have here x minus 2 is greater than -2. So we add 2 both sides of an equality. We have x is less than or greater than 0. All numbers greater than 0 make this problem true. Alright, we have 4 plus y is less than or greater than, less or equal to 1. Less or equal to 1. Four plus y plus -4 is less than or equal to 1 plus -4. So we add -4 from both sides. So y is less than or equal to -3. All numbers from -3 down, that's including negative, make this problem true. So there is one special case. Sometimes you may have to reverse the direction of an equality sign. How is it possible? That only happens when you multiply or divide both sides of the inequality by a negative number. Okay, solving by multiplication of a negative number. So multiply its side with the same negative number and reverse the inequality symbol. Like for example, we have x or negative x is less than 4. So multiply by negative 1, that's it. So therefore, x is greater than negative 1. So the direction reverse. Okay? So the sign or the symbol reverse. That's it. So your less than becomes greater than. See the switch. Okay, so given here, solving by dividing a negative number, divide its side by the same negative number and reverse the inequality symbol. Say we have negative 2x less than or equal to 6. So divided by negative 2, so this one is cancelled. So therefore x is greater than or equal to 3, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. It should be negative 3, but since we changed the operation or the symbol of inequality becomes positive. Alright, here. So we have negative 3y plus 5 is greater than 23. Subtract 5 from each side. Yan. Okay, so we have subtract. And then negative 3y is greater than 18. Then divide its side by 3 or negative 3. So we have reverse the inequality sign. Therefore, the answer is y is greater than negative 6. So then graph the solution. So that's how we graph it. Ayan, okay. Try. All the given here. We have number 1, 2x plus 3 greater than x plus 5. So we have minus 2x, and then we got x is greater than 2. And here the same, no? So we add and subtract, it's negative. X is greater than 4. So as you can see, if it is negative, we always exchange the sign or the symbol of inequality. Same here. So we distribute first. Okay, like this one. That's why we have 3r minus 6 less than 2r plus 4 divided by or minus 2. So that's why here we have r minus 6 less than 6. So do we add 6 to both sides? So that's why we have r is less than 10. Okay, so remember, okay, so you do a great job.